Good morning, my all students. I am going to a class course 1.1.1 course name Childhood and Growing Up. Its paper is divided by two parts, first half and second half. I discuss from my first class is course 1.1 first half. First half name development and its characteristics. Course 1.1.1 Childhood and Growing Up is divided by two parts, first half and second half. First half development and its characteristics. Okay. তো ডেভেলপমেন্ট এই বিষয়টা জানতে গেলে আমাদের প্রথমত দুটো শব্দের সঙ্গে আগে পরিচিত হতে হবে। একটা হচ্ছে গ্রোথ আর একটা ডেভেলপমেন্ট। হোয়াট ইজ গ্রোথ? What is growth? Growth is a function. Growth is a function of the organism rather than that of the environment as such. Growth is a function of the organism rather than that of the environment as such. Organism. Growth is a function of the organism rather than that of the environment as such. The environment furnish the soil and milieu for the manifestation of development. But these manifestations come from inner compulsion and are primarily organized by inherent inner machine and by a psychology of development. Psychology of development. যদি আমরা মনোবিদ আর্নল্ড গাসেলসের মতানুসারে বলি, অ্যাকর্ডিং টু আর্নল্ড গাসেলস কি হচ্ছে, গ্রোথ ইজ এ ফাংশন অফ দ্য অর্গানিজম। Arnold Gossel, he is American psychologist. কি বলছে, গ্রোথ ইজ এ ফাংশন অফ দ্য অর্গানিজম রাদার দ্যান দ্যাট environment as such. The environment furnish for the soil million for the manifestation of development. and Crow defined that growth refers to structural and psychological change. Crow and Crow মতে কি growth refers to structural and psychological change. The development is concerned with growth as well those change in behavior which result from environmental stimulation. Thus, it can be said that growth is an indicator of increase in bodily demands such as height and weight, and it is generally confined to quantitative change. Quantitative change. It can be said that it can be said that growth is an indicator of increase in bodily dimension such as height and weight, and it is generally confined to quantitative change. Growth does not allow contribute to development. Growth does not allow contribute to development. Okay, a child or adult may grow very fat and heavy, but such growth can hardly be considered as development in the sense of advance of the higher level of maturity. Higher level of maturity. Next, discuss development. What is development? It can be said that human development is the basic fact. Human development is the basic fact of human existence, and each person develops uniquely. In an orderly sequence involving physical, cognitive, and emotional development. Although there are universally accepted principles of development, but there occur with difference in the rate of timing and change from one person to another. It is qualitative in nature. In the words of E.B. Harlock, E.B. Harlock, E.B. Harlock, the terms development means or can be defined as the following. Development consists of progressive series of change that occur in an orderly, predictable, predictable patterns as a result of maturation and experience towards maturity. Maturation and maturity. Patterns of result, maturation and experience towards maturity. Difference between growth and development. Difference between growth and development. Growth is one of the part of the development process. Growth is one of the part of the development process. Development is a wider, comprehensive term that refers to the overall change in the individual. Growth does not continue throughout the life. It stops when maturity is being attained. Development, it is a continuous process that goes from womb to tomb. It does not can end with the achievement of maturity and continues throughout the life span of the individual, even for the small change till that. ওকে, তো এই পেপারের উপর, এই টপিকের ওপর যে সমস্ত নোটপত্র আছে সেটা আমি তোমাদের পিডিএফ আকারে দিয়ে দেবো। সকলে ভালো থাকবে, সুস্থ থাকবে।